Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited that you're back and ready for another fun, exciting video. Kind of fun, kind of exciting. I hope you guys think so. But today I am doing my first Influenster VoxBox opening. As you can see, look at the cute packaging. Just for you. And cute little semicolon smiling. So I've actually never done one of these before. I got invited to join and I was hoping that I would get picked for a box, and I did, and this is the first one, I hope, of many. Basically what you do is you apply and you fill out some questionnaires and just kind of ask you a little bit about your Instagram page, your blog, YouTube, all of that, and then based off your preferences, they select you based on your following and all those things if you get a box and what type of things that you would like. So let's open the box. The first thing that I noticed that the mail did a really good job delivering this one, because sometimes when I get packages, the box is completely messed up, but not this one. So that's a good sign. And I'm actually not very good at these unboxing things online, but I'm gonna try, and then we'll see what's inside as I try to open it. I might have to have some help here and go get some scissors in a second, but we'll see, and then maybe I'll show you guys. No, actually, I definitely will show you guys what's inside, and maybe we can test a few of these things out. I think it's some skincare products and things of that nature. So hold on, I need some help. I can't get it open. So I'm gonna get some scissors really quick and I'm gonna be right back. So I'm back. I didn't put the struggle with the scissors on here because no one needs to see that. But now I am unboxing as we go. It's open, and as we can see, this is called the Fresh and Fab VoxBox. So what a great one. It's the first day of May. So that's a fantastic VoxBox to get. It's fresh and fab because we're about to start summer. We're in the middle of spring and I can't wait to see what's all in here. Let's get started. So the very first thing that I'm noticing that's really drawing my attention, because the packaging is really fun, is this Saturday Skin, and it is a wide awake brightening eye cream, which if you guys have watched any of my other videos, you know I wake up very early for work. I wake up at 4 a.m. 5 days a week. So I sometimes do not look like I have gotten any sleep because basically I haven't. And this is one that I will definitely be using, and it's an exclusive peptide formula that promotes the skin's natural regeneration process. So let's open it up and see what it looks like inside. I have opened up the Saturday Skin, and as you can see, packaging is always so cute and things like this. And plus I'm just excited to see what the product actually looks like. So I'm gonna take a little bit and put this in my palm. Let's see. Oh, here we go. So this is kind of what it looks like. Just a clear base. Might dab a little bit on right now. I have a little bit of makeup on, but I'm sure that's fine. You're ready to go to spin class, so you know, who doesn't want a little extra hydration? But brightening eye cream, you do it in a C formation, which I guess I kind of did that, but that's why you should always use the instructions beforehand, and using tapping motion, which would be for maximum absorption. So definitely we'll be using this Saturday Skin product, and I'm definitely happy that that is involved. Anything that makes you look more awake and brightens your eyes, I think, is always a win. Let's see what else is in the box, because there's still a lot more things to look at. Well, you guys know I'm all about some color, and this jumped out at me. This is an Inviso Brilliance with Lime Caviar. This is a color mask. So this actually does not go on your face. It goes on your hair. All of that is this Brilliance. This is another one, and this is a conditioner. So yeah. So we have, and that does smell really good. That one smells better than the other one. So we have a conditioner and a hair mask. This has completely caught my eye. It's called Moon Crystal, and it is a sparkling eye pigment, which if you've seen any of my other videos, follow me on Instagram or anything, you know I always have some sparkle on and sparkly eyeshadow, and this is called Goddess, and it looks like a really pretty nude, pale, shimmery. Oh, look, really pretty. This is right up my alley. So I'll just show a little bit of what it looks like. Oh, it's like a really pretty bronze color, if you can see that. I won't put too much on because I don't want to waste a product, but as you can see, that's what it would look like on. No, I just did, you know, we'll do a little bit on my other arm so you can, there we go. That's better. So you can see what that looks like. I love colors like this because they go with everything, and perfect for the summer when you don't want to wear a ton of makeup and all you gotta do is add some shimmer and you are good to go. The shimmer is always good, especially anytime, especially in the summer. But I just noticed that there's another one, another moon crystal, and this one is called Mystical, and I might be even more excited about this color because look, a very pretty lilac. I don't know all the colors. I'm not a beauty vlogger, so again, I do some makeup videos and I don't really know what I'm doing half the time, but that's why we're just kind of doing this. We're all in this together, like I said in High School Musical. There. Oop. Really pretty purple. I'm making a mess here. I'm trying my best, so just thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. I'm very shimmery, but I really like that purple. Very pretty. Again, I'm not a beauty expert or anything. I just know how to do simple makeup. I can get you ready to go out the door in about 15 minutes. It isn't really what it's about, you know? I'm very envious of those people that know how to do all the makeup techniques. I try. That's why I get on YouTube so I can learn from the best. I really like these two products. These are really good. It is a bright potion. And as I was talking about earlier, I am all about products that make you seem more awake. That is definitely for me, especially if you work late, work early, whatever. Oh, this is a very fun package, and it's a probiotic power serum, and you use it morning and night, warm product by emulsifying, it's a big word, then press serum into skin and use tapping motion for maximum absorption. So let's just get a little bit out and see what it looks like, shall we? I like how everything in the set kind of has a theme to it. It's very spacey to me, very moon. Oh, so that's what it looks like. You can see a little bit of the shimmer left over from the eyeshadow here with all the eyeshadows that are on my hand. That this looks like this is gonna be something that I'm really gonna enjoy using. And again, like I previously said before, I am all about anything that makes you look more awake. I'm very, I don't know, I could have asked for a better box. This is everything that I love. It's colorful, shimmery, makes you look more awake. I don't know what really more you could ask for. Coming down to the last product, which there was actually so many things in here. So far, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And the 8th product is, that's the last of the box, it's falling to the ground, is this Expert Eye Balm. It's a semi-transparent black gel serving multiple functions: a primer, top coat, and fixer, offering perfect mascara hold with a natural glossy finish. So this is going to be a mascara. Have under eye creams, we have eye creams for the summer, hair products, pretty much anything that you can ask for was in this VoxBox. You got to see the unboxing with me, and hopefully this will make you go and apply to be on Influenster, if you want the name. Here it is, right here, Influenster. And you can get some free products too. So definitely looking forward to trying these out. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you liked it, let me know. If you didn't like it, I'm sorry, but thank you for watching anyway. And I hope that you'll be back to my channel soon. I have a lot of fun things coming up. Thank you so much for coming to my channel and helping me open my first VoxBox, my very first one, and looking forward to others to open and having more products to show you guys and things that you can check out. And like I said, join Influencer as well. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.